Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how we can do this target practice mission in Skate 4. So let's try right here, take our skateboard with triangle and try to hit bullseye. You can do spread eagle with this trigger and X. So as you can see, I did it. Now we need to do torpedo into the pool. So hold the spread eagle and then click on the circle, and that's how you do torpedo into the pool. And right here to hit the boardwalk planters, right here, do a flip trick and try to hit. Let me show you again. Just flip trick, then take your skateboard out and then go and hit those objects. As you can see, you can hit both in one time. And let's try it again to hit one of the dock parts. It can be a little bit tricky, so make sure to get some speed. So you get the idea how you can do those things. So that's pretty much it, guys. Make sure to be in time and you'll be good to go. So as you can see, let's try to hit one of the dock supports. As you can see, we did flip trick to spread eagle. So it's not that hard to do even. So see you in the next one. Comment down below for the algorithm and see you in the next one.